Good morning, this is Sam Gurung from Beta 2 Limited coming to you with this morning's market report. As you probably heard Lane Clark speak in regards to China, Chinese stocks have been taking an absolute battering overnight, down 8.5%. Now, I'm not going to go too much in China as Lane Clark's already covered it, but that has had a ripple effect into other asset classes. European stocks opened lower this morning on back of sort of Chinese stocks, and commodity prices are down. We've seen crude oil down around 0.2% this morning. Copper is taking absolute tanking. Commodity prices down overall. The only, I would say, sort of commodity which is up slightly at the moment is gold, but that's mainly on back of dollar retreating slightly. But overall, commodity prices down, equities under pressure on back of what's happening in China. Now, the main event for this week, which could dictate how the asset classes move, could be the Federal Reserve monetary policy statement and the interest rate decision. That's on Wednesday evening, 7 p.m. UK time. Now, interest rate expected to be hold. However, what the markets will be looking for is some sort of hint from Yellen in regards to the next interest rate lift-off. The expectation is still the same at the moment, which is 50% probability of an interest rate hike come September. However, markets will be looking at further hints from Yellen in regards to whether it will be or not. The two main catalysts in regards to if the interest rate lift-off will happen in September are basically oil and dollar. And the reason why these two commodities are important is because, firstly, in regards to oil, previously Yellen has said that one of the sort of catalysts for the interest rate lift-off could be oil, which was fairly stable in her previous speech. Since then, it has actually depreciated around 40%. With oil going down, China also slowing down, inflation expectation in America has come down. In regards to the dollar is actually up 3.5% since its last speech, and again, ideally Fed want a dollar to stabilize slightly or maybe weaken slightly, but with dollar strengthening, that's also put further downward pressure inflation as it makes the imports in America cheaper. So these two catalysts in play, both moving dramatically since Yellen's last speech, could impact the potential sort of chance to lift off in September, but Wednesday will be key, and any hints coming out will move the markets. Aside from that, to finally touch on the currency markets, like I said earlier, dollar is slightly down, retreating against its major counterparts. No main reason, maybe a bit of sort of breather we're seeing because dollar did have a very good last week. It was up against all its sort of major counterparts, and come sort of Wednesday, we may see it move further depending on what Yellen says. That's it for today. Thank you for listening in. I'll see you tomorrow again.